A little bit of action. Get this going. So a little bit of olive oil. I might not need that. There's 8 of them. In case you wanna, here, let's do some dick stuff. Since we got a big dick. Dick. Do this for a little bit. Why not? Let's do it. I want to play with my sausage. I got a big sausage. I want to play with that. Why not? This is how we do it. I'm doing this shit in the White House too. I will absolutely. I'll do this forever. if it makes the fucking cunt stop fucking hating and shooting and. Okay, yeah. Stop being cunts, everyone. I'll be the best president ever, I promise. Just fuck off. I'm doing something to entertain. Alright, that should be enough. This is spicy. This is hot. I don't know if she realized she got hot. She doesn't like hot stuff. I do. I'll eat it. It's fine. But